Once upon a time in a peaceful village, there lived a lazy donkey named Don. Don loved nothing more than to nap under the big tree by the river, with a pile of hay beside him. He was known for his laziness. He would eat, sleep, and occasionally wander around, but never do much work. One sunny morning, while Don was lounging, a wise old tortoise named Tilly passed by. Seeing Don lounging instead of working, she stopped and said, "Don, you know, there's a secret in this village. The magic carrot." "Magic carrot?" Don perked up, intrigued. Where is it? "I want it." Tilly smiled. "If you find the magic carrot, it will grant you one wish, but only if you're willing to work for it." Don was thrilled. "I'll work for it," he exclaimed. "But first, can I take a nap?" Tilly sighed but agreed. "All right, but remember, the magic carrot only works for those who work for it, not those who sit around." Don stretched lazily and then wandered off in search of the carrot. He searched high and low, in the fields, the forest, and even the riverbank, but could not find the magic carrot. After hours of fruitless searching, Don plopped down and decided it was time for a snack. Suddenly, he noticed a small carrot peeking out of the ground. Could this be it? He wondered. Don was so hungry he didn't even think twice. He grabbed the carrot, took a big bite, and sat down to rest. To his surprise, a glowing light surrounded him. The carrot sparkled and a voice echoed, "Don, you've found the magic carrot. What is your wish?" Don blinked in amazement. "I wish for more naps. And more snacks." The voice paused. "You wish for more naps and snacks? That is not how the magic works. You must work to earn your wishes." Don, not realizing the lesson, wished again. Okay. I wish for a golden bed where I can nap all day long." The light flickered, and the carrot vanished. Don blinked again, but nothing happened. No golden bed, no magic. He sat there confused and a little disappointed. Just then, Tilly the tortoise passed by again. "Did you find the carrot?" she asked. Don sighed. "I found it, but I didn't get my wish. I wanted to nap more and have snacks, but it didn't work." Tilly chuckled softly. "Don, the magic carrot only works for those who work hard, not for those who wish for an easy way out. You see, a life of laziness doesn't lead to true happiness." Don thought for a moment, then smiled. "I understand now. I should work for the things I want, instead of just hoping they'll come to me." From that day forward, Don worked hard to help his friends in the village. He carried baskets, helped farmers, and made sure the fields were always clean. He still enjoyed his naps, but now, he felt proud of the work he did. Moral of the story: work hard to earn what you want, and you'll be truly happy. The easy way out may not always lead to the best rewards.
Please like and subscribe my channel for more such stories.